What's up guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove cabin air filter on this 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer. Open your glove compartment. On the both sides you need to push it, just like that. Now you need to disconnect your shock. Super simple. This is your air filter box. Super simple to remove. Just pull from one side. There is two clips. Remove your filter. As you can see, this one is super dirty, never been replaced. And install your new filter. Some filter may have airflow arrows, indicate which way the airflow should go. Always should go inside the car. In this case, this is your fan. It's sucking the air inside the car, so the arrow should point to the bottom. And that's it guys, just put the cover back and put your glove compartment back. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.